As the world's first cordless 1-inch D-handle impact wrench, the Milwaukee M18 FUEL 1-inch D-handle high-torque impact wrench with 1 key provides up to 2,000 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, while delivering up to 200 bolts per charge, and completely eliminating the need for compressors and hoses. This tool is enabled by 1 key, Milwaukee's comprehensive asset management and smart tool platform. This platform allows you to customize, track, and manage your tools with the support of the industry's largest Bluetooth tracking network and take advantage of the largest line of evolving smart tools. The D-handle's 1 key customization component, Custom Drive Control, allows you to modify the tool's speed and power, helping you work more efficiently and safely. In this video, we'll take you through the customization features on your D-handle, accessible to you through the 1 key mobile app. To get started, first you'll connect to Bluetooth and then add it to inventory. While we won't be covering how to do that in this video, you can watch our video, Add 1 key enabled tools to inventory, to learn how to add your D-handle. Once you've added your D-handle to inventory, you'll find and select it from your inventory or nearby devices. While connected, you'll find 4 customizable modes you can choose from, which correspond to the 4 physical modes on your tool. You can modify any or all of these 4 modes to better accomplish the work you do. Let's take a look at what settings you can customize. First, Max Speed lets you set the maximum forward and reverse speed on your D-handle. With bolt removal enabled, you can specify a custom speed to which your D-handle will slow down in reverse once the tool's detected that the bolt is broken free. With Precision mode, you can intentionally limit your D-handle's torque output in order to achieve a repeatable torque. You can lower the Precision mode lever for fewer impacts or increase it for more impacts before the tool automatically shuts off. Changing your D-handle's max speed and Precision mode level will change the torque output of your tool. You can then test with a torque wrench to find your desired torque range. Finally, you'll use Trigger Ramp Up to customize the amount of time it takes for your D-handle to reach its maximum RPM for longer or shorter ramp-up times. Once you've dialed in your preferred settings, make sure to save them to the physical mode on the tool. To learn more about saving modes to the cloud, check out our Mode Library support article. Milwaukee's M18 FUEL 1-inch D-handle high-torque impact wrench provides up to 2,000 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and delivers up to 200 volts per charge while completely eliminating the need for compressors and hoses. Built with 1 key to customize, track, and manage, you can modify your D-handle for the work you do, allowing you to work more efficiently and safely accomplish tasks, and always ensuring a job well done. For more helpful tips like this, please subscribe below, or click on another video to keep watching.